Welcome to our channel. Today we how to configure Xero for online accounting, detailed guide step by step clearly. To begin configuring Xero for online accounting, start by visiting the official Xero website. Click on the sign up button to create an account. Fill in your email address and choose a strong password. After entering your details, click Get Started. Once you're in, select your subscription plan that suits your business needs. Next, indicate your industry to help Xero tailor features to your business. Verify your email address by checking your inbox for a confirmation link. After verifying, log into your Xero account using your email and password. Upon logging in, you will be greeted by the dashboard. Familiarize yourself with the main features and navigation options available. Start by going to the Settings menu located in the bottom left corner. Click on Organization Settings to input your business details. Add your business logo and adjust your financial settings, such as your reporting currency. Now, navigate to the Chart of Accounts to manage your account categories. Review the default accounts and customize them as needed to fit your business structure. Next, set up your invoice settings by selecting Invoices from the Settings menu. Choose your invoice template and set the default tax rates for your transactions. Integrate your bank account for seamless transaction importation. To do this, click on Bank Accounts and select Add Bank Account. Follow the instructions to connect your bank securely with Xero. Once connected, set up bank feeds to automatically import your transactions. Next, configure your tax settings by navigating to Tax Rates under the Settings menu. Add any relevant tax rates that apply to your business transactions. Continue by setting up your users if you have team members who need access. Go to Users under the Settings and invite team members by entering their email addresses. Assign roles and permissions based on their responsibilities. Finally, review your overall settings and make necessary adjustments. Once you have completed the configuration, you are ready to start using Xero for all your accounting needs. Explore features like invoicing, expense tracking, and reporting to maximize your efficiency. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.